Today I'm going to do a review of the Cobra HH350 Marine VHF radio. I think you can also get this thing in white or this gray and orange color. So if yours may look a little bit different, it's probably the same one. I don't think they make too many handhelds, Cobra does. But overall, this is a decent VHF radio. It's definitely not the best. It has a decent range. It has a decent battery life. This is my third one. One of the reasons that I've continued to use this one is not because of its quality, but because of how rough we are on these things, and we go through them more often than not. They don't really stand up to a whole lot of torture. With a couple of them, we've had the screens go out on them. And I mean, that could be due to our roughness, but I did watch another review where a guy, his screen went dim as soon as he started, and it seemed like he was having the same problem. However, this thing does get the job done quite well. Like I said, it doesn't have a bad range. It's got a good clip. We've never broken one of these clips off, and I have broken off the clips on other brands. Comes with a decent little charging dock like this. The only thing that I do not like is that it will not work with my microphones that I have on board. It's a different brand. It's just some fitment issues there, but that's not that big of a deal. It does have the ability to do that. Some don't do that. But overall, if you need something to keep in your throw bag or anything like that, this is a great option. Like I said, we're rough with them. We drop these things all the time. We really beat them up. At least it does float. That's a pro. But I'd give this thing a 7 out of 10. And if you need a cheap Marine VHF radio, a handheld, then it's definitely the way to go. You don't have to spend $250. But overall, that's Cobra HH350.